Let's break some stuff. Oh, making sure I got everything ready. Hello. That's the wrong screen. All right. Wasn't loading. Okay, cool. This is the right screen. Yep. All right. Sorry, it's like I'm like, I got this screen open. That's great. Yep, that's it. Something's right. All right. Here we go. You can see that. You can see that. Hello. Hi. Sorry, my cat is like, oh, you're talking? Time to play? Is that what you're trying to say? You're trying to say you want to play now? Let's play. All right. Last stream that I completely continued and didn't just fall asleep after saying I would. I was working on the bakery. I haven't actually done too much. Since then, I changed the front. Like I said I was going to. I need to fix here. That's just a side effect of not counting these correctly, and then how we made it not symmetrical. I fixed some. I tried to play around with the color a little bit by just playing around with the post process, so that we could have a little less like overexposure. And like I tried to correct the colors back to what they were a little bit, or what they're supposed to be. It still needs work, but we can figure it out. I think. And then one of the issues, well, not issues, but I can figure it out, and then go on from there. Do other stuff. Anyways, so I haven't really done too much since then. It's just been a couple days. But yeah, so we're gonna continue working on stuff in Blender today. But I think I also want to work on some actual like player stuff. So like this map itself doesn't have the yeah, let's do this. There's a couple things I want to do. Because there's also like settings I want to make. So like we were working on pause for a little bit. But I need to make an actual options menu. And fix a lot of that stuff. Because right now, I have no idea what's happening. So player, Milo. Oh yeah, I played around with the camera stuff a little more too. So like the FOV when you run is smoother and a little more subtle. And I kind of redid it to fix how it was working, to clean it up. And yeah, so overall, I think I need to actually plug in my controller to see how this plays, because it's one of those things where it's like, for all I know, it actually isn't too bad. Like I wanna, let's see. I think I want to switch like sprinting versus walking to a toggle. At least. We would still do this part basically. But then change it to be where, I mean, we can actually make it a setting as well. We can just, yeah, what should we do? We should do a, trying to think, so that we can save all the player settings really easily. I think we just do like a player struct, or something like that. But for now, let's just make a bool that we say, you know, and toggle on run or run on. Hey, hopefully without the mic away. Jeez, I'm terrible. I couldn't reach like the mute button. I need the like physical like shortcut key. To run on toggle. So what we would do here is basically like if it's on toggle, if that's true, then we would I wonder if I could do like wonder if it would be smart to like so like we can add context, right? So add context or hold on, get player, right? So get player controller, and then from here get enhanced input player subsystem, right? So from here, we can actually have a secondary so add, I forgot what it's called. Let's see. It's under input. So add mapping context. No, it should be okay, no. Remove context, start continuous input injection. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you can start a continuous input and then stop it. Oh, that's probably good for like the stuff we need. I don't know. So, I thought we could add a single like key in context. Inject input. I guess we can only inject. I thought we could rebuild control mappings. No, because that just, yeah. No. And then add mapping context. Just does this. I guess we could just. I was gonna say technically we could have two different contexts, or multiple overlapping each other based on priority. So like if we go to the components, it's somewhere. It's just blueprints. Input. Like in a mapping context sense. We have a little more control there. And I'm wondering if what we say is sprint. Okay. Because I think we can't like tell it go this way or that way. Whatever. For now, we're gonna do it the terrible way. I was trying to be like smart about it, where I say, I mean, I guess I can just do that, right? So in dynamic, or the default player input can be 1 when it gets put in, and then like the toggles, if they're enabled, get put to a lower priority. So like if I added another one and called it toggle, and I would just have it where, I guess, can we consume that input? Yeah. So higher priority mappings will be applied first, and we'll block lower priority. Okay. So, like, if I had, I guess, I don't know if that makes sense to do. Unless it's more than one button. Alright, so what I'm imagining is like input mapping context underscore sprint toggle. Right? Let's just pretend that's there. Sprint. You know, shift. Right? So if we add this at a higher priority, but would that be worth it for every like accessibility thing like this where it's a toggle or a thing? I don't know. And that's where we could yeah, we could figure that out. It should work. Let's see. Let's test it. And then do what do we call it? Oh, it's still I sprint though. I guess we'd have to have a different input there. It doesn't matter. Yeah, because that would do it differently. Okay. Yeah, no, I think it's better just to... We're just going to do it like this for now. I just don't want to call it every single time it calls. Because, yeah, it would be... we would do, like, input enhanced, input, toggle, sprint instead, right? And I'm wondering if there's a better way to do that. Let's see this. Let's go. I mean, either way, we're gonna have to check, like, oh, is it this or this? It doesn't matter that much. Run on toggle. If that's false, do this. I guess, let's see. If run on toggle, then we're just flip-flopping on start. And then that always runs no matter what. And then, wait, no, hold on. That's true. This is then true. So let's set. I think that's all I gotta do. This is a oop. There we go. All right. To play. Interesting. Oh, you know what? Yeah, no matter what, it's still calling the... I forgot. It's got the... It still has this. So run on toggle. Really? Just needs this, eh? Run on toggle. There. And then... Now it should work, maybe, possibly. There we go. Now we got a button that works and does stuff. Ta-da! Is it the cleanest method ever? No, because if we want other methods, we gotta work in the space we're working in, but for now, it works. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Sometimes, like, I get too caught up in inaction by planning things that don't even matter. All right. Because that will then clear itself. Done, done, done. Ta-da. Perfect. All right, and then look on this. Run on toggle. Category B. Totally spelled that wrong. I always do a freaking A instead of a. I literally Googled it to double check. I'm like, I know this is wrong, but I'm typing it. How did you make the character animations? They are, I forgot which ones these ones are. I think these ones are just, Mixmo from way back in the day. Because I only have a couple of animations on it. This is an old character that I'm just using at the moment. Yeah, how's it going? But yeah, it's just Mixmo. But, like, Mixmo lets you, basically make your own rig if you haven't heard of it. It will do it for you. You just upload your character, select the right areas, and right, so you just works nicely. Like, it got most stuff. Now with the auto retargeting, or not auto retargeting, but with the IK retargeting system that's in UE5 too, it makes it even easier if you have to blend those plus the Unreal skeleton, or do other things. So I definitely recommend checking it out if you're not someone that animates. That's looking good. All right. So save that. That's not in a character you made in Blender, but it's a robot, not human. Yeah, so you can. So robots are hard. You're probably gonna have to do that yourself. You still can keep, like, so you could still, like, I don't know if you've actually skinned stuff in Blender. You could do the Mixmo process of it, and you can tell it, like, hey, it doesn't have 5 fingers. But then what you can do is, like, say you, let's see if I can actually, I'm just gonna bring it over here because I gotta go find stuff. But, like, let's say you, my work drive. No, it's this one, right? Somewhere. Okay. Where is my... I'm trying to find the actual animations now. But say you have, like, an animation like that, you can actually just reskin it in Blender to fix it up a little bit. If not, I recommend, like, Cassador is nice for animating. I think it's still free. I know they're going paid at some point. And where? So assets, models, characters. Right, so like this. There we go. Like, so you can actually, this doesn't have a rig, does it? This is the wrong. Dang. Okay. Open. SK And I'm like, which is which? Might just be an FBX. Okay, here we go. Static mesh Milo. I think this is the other Milo. There we go. Oh, this is fat Milo. Before he started his diet, right? So like in Blender, you can actually just take your model, and go to, if I remember this. This is where I'm always bad at Blender, is these menus, right? These vertex groups, right? So this is what it's going to create anytime you animate something. You can actually go to the animation node here. And like, so like, a robot's obviously a little more hard surface. So what you can do is literally just come in here, find those, where did they go? I lost the, there we go. Find these, right? And if we go to, weight paint, right? You can actually just come in here and manually weight paint it. So like, for instance, for the hand, you would probably do it like this, where, you know, when the finger moves, it's going to move all of them. Or you're just going to come in here and remove all the index fingers altogether for the bones. Like overall, you'd probably have to go more find a good Blender tutorial to get more in detail, obviously. But like that's all rigs are, right? Is this? So like this one's all messed up. You can see like the thumb. This is from Mixmo as well. Like the thumb starts there, has a little influence, and then gains more as it goes up. We could just get rid of this influence altogether based on this, based on weight painting. And now, like that part of the thumb's not going to move at all. But we can come back here and actually paint it. And now it's going to be one solid part, right? Did I have to manually? No, so like Mixamo will manually do it, but if you're doing a robot, you're probably going to have to manually fix stuff up. Like for instance, the one thing I had to correct in this old model was the helmet. So like it would try to make this part of, you know, the neck, different neck bones and stuff. And like, so I just would come in here and solidly paint it. But I've also done like actual rigging from scratch with my other models and stuff. That I'm just showing you an example. Like this is the left foot when that left bone moves, and you can play an animation from Mixamo to help you see what you need to like flatten out. But depending on how robotic your machine is, you're gonna want to probably, you know, manually paint it anyways, or even do like certain things. Could be like a vertex animation where you're not even using a rig, but you're like using a material or something else to rig. Yeah, so like that's what happened with mine, was like the butt on this explodes because of how I did the vert. So like I had to come in here. But like, so my main point is like, obviously this has a nice fall off because the human hand and things like that are gonna fall off. So for you, anything in here should be a harsh fall off where it's just the part that you need moving at that point and nothing else. Like you might be able to get somewhat of a decent thing in, right? So like I would do just the wrist, just the hand, just the forearm, just this, if that's how your robot looks. Otherwise, like you're gonna have to do something custom. Like you can clean it up so much, but obviously it's made for organic stuff. They can, if you look at their like their default skins, it kind of shows you this because they have they have this, right? So like they have robots, and if you notice, you can actually download this file itself, and you'll see that like for the upper leg, it only has this painted. For the lower leg, only this is painted. So if your stuff's similar to this style, it will work. That's what I'm saying. Hope that helps. But yeah, it's rigging and stuff's really fun. If it's simple robotic stuff and you're using something like Unreal, I would say you could just do like control rig, but that's a whole nother thing depending on what you're using it for. All right, so let's destroy that. All right, so we got a setting done. Yeah, you should. It's funny. I use the mixed mode ones as like a temporary one. And like in my other game I'm working on, I had that, like, I call him Bat Milo, but my older version of Milo, my character, in there, and he anytime he jumped, his butt would just go like inside of his body. So like we all knew the jump because it's like the Subway Surfers looking jump, and just the butt disappears, like no butt. Instantly recognizable. It's funny. Hey. So yeah. So we got that working. Accessibility. I actually want to see the pause button. Where am I making that? Okay, so this is all for sprint. And like sprinting. That was a big help. I'll look at it more tomorrow. Yeah, no, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate it. Have a good night. Alright, so this is moving. I gotta organize all these. I have some stuff in C++, some stuff here, and all of it's terribly organized. Alright, so on this, we're making sure that's correct. When we get possession, Alt Interact is not currently active. I gotta fix this. I don't know why, but for some reason, like if I spam the fishing button, I can still fish. And I'm like, dang it. I thought I had all these figured out. I think it's literally just called pause. Like I know because it's it's not an input action. IA start. IA pause. No, okay. So we need to go to enhance input. Let's delete this for now. Doesn't mean just rambling. Alright, and then there's gonna be one. In fact, I know it's not too bad to assign more than one, because we could and should, because like pause button should be universal, right? We should always be able to pause as long as we have our character. Which reminds me, I'm pretty sure the pause is in. Oh no, it's right here. Never mind. I was gonna be like, I'm pretty sure the pause is in. What's it called? But it's not. It's right there. But yeah, so we could have permanent buttons. So like map, pause. No, map wouldn't it be? It'd just be pause, I think. In one. But I don't know. We'll see. Nope, this is a digital trigger when paused. Yes. Consume lower priority input mappings. Consume. Yep. Okay. So IA paused. So let's do IA paused. Enhanced input. Boop. Hey, sorry there's an ad break. It might have already started. Not that many people are here, but still. I'm talking to the people on Twitch, of course. Yeah. Okay, so untriggered. Which really, this could just be untriggered, right? Yeah, unstarted. Pause. We're pausing, even though it's a common activatable widget. Do we not have a push widget to main? I thought I did. There we go. Boop. Boop. Delete that. Delete that. Oh. What's this? This is just a user widget reference. Nice. User widget. Reference. Hopefully I'm not using it anywhere. I'm pretty sure I'm not. Ooh. Pause, get pause. There. Description. Blah, blah, blah. I don't even need this. Yeah, what are we doing? We just push. Always push. There's a thing in here. Don't need to worry about it. Yep. Ta-da. Bam. On. Hello? Push. Push to main, no work. If there is no main. Is there no main screen? Alright then, that's new information. Now, I wonder. Can't help but to wonder. And wonder some more. Not wondering. Oh, how do we do that? We need to check out the main and whatever this function is that I just was like, yeah, that's it. I believe that's it. Yep, that's got to be it. Okay. Main. Yeah, and I don't have to worry about any of this. I gotta set. We can set it in here. We really need it, but okay. Yeah, here. There's a blueprint function library. Push to main. Oh, didn't we replace this? I feel like I replaced this with a C++ class. Maybe we didn't. Function lib. I think I might be thinking of this. Yeah, the new function library. That's this push side widget. Okay. And library. Good answer inventory. Push widget to main. Okay. Why is this not working then? Okay, so let's get the widget. Get player controller. First. Things first. First things first. Okay. Get that. That's weird. Get player controller from inside player controller. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is then added. Does this then have the stack? It does. Okay, and then this gets that. Wait, hold on. Where's widget base? What is widget base? That's not the stack. That's not the stack, you see? Damn it. Okay. That's why. No, it's this, and then get stack. And then push. That's called. I recently went over all of this in that template I made. I just haven't released it. And I need to. Oh, hold on. Where? Yeah. There we go. Now it should work. Pause? No? I mean, interesting. Now it shouldn't work. No, it's on pause, started. Breakpoint. Aha! It's not even firing. I forgot to set it. We never added it to the thing. And that's what happens when there's so many steps. Gotta have it where you gotta go through the specific way, or else this happens. Alright. Thankfully, it'd be nice to, like, make a tool to update this. Oops. With the correct bindings without having to open this. Like, have it where it just lists me all of the ones in this folder, and if it's not already added, it will add it to this. So let's see. Paused, please. No. Hello. I'm aware. Pause. 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 Alright. For now, we can also do escape. This also, what is it? Gamepad. Special. Right. There we go. Remove breakpoint. Boom, boom, boom. Ta-da! Hello there. Perfect. Perfection. Alright. Good. Save, save, save. Okay. Okay, cool. Now we just need to edit the actual widget. The widget. Pause button. Pause. Okay. I like this is even aligned. What on earth am I doing here? My goodness. Okay. Like, look at this. Background's half aligned. Do it. Hello? Can I not press on this for some reason? Okay, cool. Cool. We got it. Okay. Anchor, center. Yeah. Place the content. Now center it. Can I? Oh, there we go. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this. Wrap in vertical box. Vertical box. Where are you? Boom. Alright. Size, we'll say 250. Cool. Perfect. Alright, with that said, we do that. I don't know why they're like aligned to the side. Good. Yep, hello. Okay. So because this is a common UI, we can come here, get desired focus target, be that. We can also do other stuff. On handle back action. We'll just use default back action. No need to override. Just make sure it's in here. Back action. Is back handler. Is back action displayed in action bar? Probably not. Uh-oh. All right. Here. Is active, all that. Yeah. Let's see what else we might need to bring over. On analog value change, on activated. Unactivated is when we play an animation. Yeah, I was gonna say, do we even pause on the other side anymore, or I'm not sure. Unconstructed, no, but unactivated. Let's go there. All right, so this needs to be focus, which is not in focus because of something I fixed somewhere else before. Oh yeah, let's make sure our main is the correct type. Just be user widget. Good. Good. All right. Yep. All right. Why would it not be setting focus? Could be one of these. Let's see. That should be on focus received. Yeah, weird. It's not is modal. Force activation focus. Yes. Auto restore. Yeah. Should be good. And auto activates, even though it activates manually. Zoom input. Well, either way, does it at least work? I hit the ding. Weird. Oh, is it not the main widget? What is this spawning into then? Hold on. Push to main. Oh, it's UI base. Whatever main widget was. It's not the main widget. Probably a leftover from showing someone something. Main camera. Main widget. Okay, so it's UI. UI. Base. Go backwards. UI base. That's why this is set to the wrong thing. This needs to be class. Just be a widget or a common widget, doesn't matter. Common user widget. Pointed that out the other day. Fixed it in my other thing, and it was correct in my main game, but it wasn't correct here. Apparently. I think I went to that the main that I just deleted. There we go. Ooh, is it creating more than one? Makes that even more interesting. Okay. First things first. Do that. Alright, can't do it. Let's just get this pause. No, because both ways we would still push it. Right? Okay. So on... Now we have to change this. I got it now. It's because I'm doing a couple things. A couple things are combining into fire here. Okay. First things first is this. So on button continue. We're doing all this. But... we need to do on. Because there's other ways to deactivate a widget besides that button. Let's see. Hey, okay. I even need to just undeactivate it. I don't even know if it needs to do that. Right? Yeah, just needs to deactivate. That's it. Good. Nice. Perfect. We got it. Okay. Yeah. That at least does that. It now accounts for the back action, which at the moment is just space. Okay. On deactivate. Deactivate. And this one is you. Okay. Created. So it's automatically gonna show those. I don't have to worry about that in another widget or some other place where I spawn this. Nice. Like that. I liked it a lot. Alright. Oh. Hello there. Okay. Let's see. That's the case. And then... I'll be right back. I'm gonna get up. There's an ad about to run on Twitch. But I'm gonna grab some water. Stretch. I'm gonna do the same. Right. Where were we? Fix the pause menu. Okay. We need to... I wonder what this would look like. Hold on. Now I got a crazy thought in my head. Okay. No, I was just thinking, I know that like displacement's now back in the engine, but nanite, I wonder if we could like displace these. It'd be really dumb, but yeah, let's move away from that thought. Like, nah, that's not something we should explore. I already know it. Let's catch myself ahead, you know, before I do something dumb. All right. No. Let's see. I do want to use or I don't know if I want to necessarily use it, but I was thinking it might be nice to explore. I guess we could technically do it with a material where we just like clip off. You know how like Mario and stuff have stuff on like detailed edges? We could do something like that. I guess get the boundary box of something and then make it to a certain size at the top. But I was thinking like we could do a spline for that too, but no, let's I was thinking one thing we could do and probably figure out is like actual based on the movement. Make some blocks and stuff for jumping. And just some basic shapes. Overall, right? Like if we figure out, right, most stuff is 2 meters. That means let's do a width of like 300. And then model, accept, mesh, angle edit. Right, so like set this to this plus 100. Like figure out what the minimum, maximum like ramp space is. It's just gonna be 75. Something like that. So that's 3 by 2 by 1. So like I don't know if the player can go. Yeah, that's too small. Let's do by 2. So scale. And then anytime we go up a ramp, we use this scale. Or if we should go with something different. I think personally it's going to be more of an actual ramp, like something I create. Probably going to be like 1.5 by, yeah. The reason I want to do this is I can make a generator to just generate ramps, like a stair case, right? And just do something like this. Up, down, sideways, whatever. To start doing different parts of the level. Because my plan is it'd be nice so that like one of the things about it is that some areas are going to be harder to get to than others, obviously. But if we're able to lock off those areas, it'd be perfect. So now we just need to play around with what looks best, what feels best. I think it's gonna end up being stuff like this, where we can block out, and then it's gonna be triangle, boop, boop, extrude. Totally not what I meant to do, but okay. But something like that. And that can be the foundation for everything. We'll say that's 1. It's hard to tell. Oh, I guess I could technically turn snapping on, but because I already moved it. Let's do... Oh, shit. Shh, you're talking, mushroom. No, let's do that. Scale 50. And then 100. Cool. Something like that. Have space. I'm thinking like the, even that seems pretty big of a jump. I think part of it's also the camera, right? So like if we do something like this, I think the camera shouldn't trail behind. Like maybe we can force it up. I don't know. Make it where like anytime we're against something like this, so anything traced right in front of the camera, let's say right in front of Milo, and then, you know, 150 up, 200 up, then we'll move the camera on a curve. Which that's what I meant to do it also with the whole FOV thing was, let's go camera. Oh, excuse me. Player, camera. And then we can make a curve. Which curves are under miscellaneous, I think. Yep. And then we just need a curve float. Curve. Wall detect. Right. And all we do, right? So this is a linear curve. That means it's going to go between, we have 2 values from that. Is the start and end. So, let's say we want to go up by 100. Otherwise, we're going to be at 0. Right? So that's 0, 0. This is going to be a value of 100. And then fit. No, what the heck? Fit. Weird. There we go. Okay, it's because I had one selected. So it was like fitting to that one. Right? So like what we can do here, the same thing we can do with the FOV, where we go between this curve and this curve. We say, hey. So what we could do is basically feed this a different number. Based on how many above it gets hit, right? So like, oh, hold on 1 second. Gosh darn it, getting a phone call. All right. So basically, if we detect it, I want to add this much, which is 0. If we don't detect it, then add obviously more. Now we're gonna make it be an actual little Whoop. Right? So on the player, let's do and we'll have to play around with this because I think a couple things. I'm trying to think like but we'll see because it's gonna be like on. It's gonna be get the curve, step on spell curve. I'm gonna get time from curve, right? Isn't it? Oh, get curve. Let's add it as a thing first, I guess. Get a float curve object. Need camera. And curve. Okay, cool. I'm probably not gonna finish this today. There's a call saying I gotta go somewhere. Oop. But I've got a little bit. Okay, so camera curve. The offset curve. Where's that? Player curves. Player camera. Oh. I don't know. I'm not gonna read that one. Alright. Get curve. Get time range. Right? Or no, not a nope. Curve. Get value. Get float value. In time. There we go. That's what I was thinking of. That's why I kept bringing up time. Like I know it's something. I don't remember what it is, but it's something somewhere. So basically here we would then put in a value, right? And what I actually want to do is we're gonna do a trace. And then we're gonna do the opposite of what I just did with that curve, right? So, let's say the curve is, like we can tell it, like let's do a line trace, right? So, line trace, by channel for now. And the start will be at the capsule, get location, and then plus, let's say 300, right? And then end will be capsule. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna say capsule, but no, I need camera. Because we don't want to do this on the wrong area. So let's get the camera. Get camera. Get fixed camera. Get rotation. Connect rotation. No, it's not that. What would I do here? Get forward vector. That's what I want. Get forward vector. And then we do this times this. Get forward vector, multiply. add. Let's change that to a float or an integer. Let's say add 300. Now let's add like 1,000. Right? So let's add 1,000 and then multiply this times this for the end location. Pick just for now. Right. We should now have a trace above us. We're then gonna get this fixed camera, and we're gonna have an offset that we add to that. And I think we even might have an offset, pivot offset. Oh, okay, no, that's a different thing. Okay, so fixed camera. BP camera. Let's just for now. Update distance. That's arm length. Location. Target plus. Offset. Right? So now we're just going to set the offset that we get from this. Offset. Set it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to get hit. Get distance. If it's a blocking hit. So if blocking hit true, then set this and we're gonna change this. I'm just doing it for now. All right, so let's say impact location, trace end vector. What would we do? We would do the. I thought there was a trace distance. But I guess we can technically do that by just doing the subtracting and stuff. Oh. Hello. All right, sounds good. All right. Alright. Alright, love it. Oop. Oh, I just realized I'm on the BRB screen. That's awesome. Alright, yeah, we just get the impact point. And then, let's see, there's this, that goes to the actual trace end. Location of the hit, yeah, so we could just do this. So do this location minus this location, or it'd be, yeah, no, I don't know. That's not it. That's not it at all. What am I doing? Get trace. I guess you could do this. Get two locations and then do like the distance between them. No, that's not what I'm looking for. This, yeah, like that, and then do that to feed into the float. And then use the float to feed Z type of thing. And then what we need to do is on this, if no offset, then it's none. Which we'll add in terps and things like that later. To make it smooth, but for now, let's just see. So if it's 0 out of a, let's A print this, because this is gonna be fun. When it breaks, let's set this to 1 frame. Let's get this float. Oops. God dang it. I always double click on those thinking, nope, it's not the float itself. Close that. Blender. I mean, not Blender, Visual Studio, please. Okay, from there. The camera. This. So now we know it's 0 to 1,000. But the offset's still the same. What changes is this, right? And then we actually want it the opposite way. So this, we need to say fit. Right? So this actually needs to have a value of 1,000. Because that would be... Right? Hold on. That's time, that's the value. And then this have a value of 0. Because that's saying if there's something 1,000 away, offset it. But that's not what we want. We want... Okay. Fit. We want something like that, right? So that means if something is 1,000 away, do not have an offset. If something's right there, have an offset. Because the first one's time, right? And what we're feeding into time is the distance. So distance of this, of these two. Oh, I guess. Okay. I don't know. Let's just print this and. Okay, step 1, not the correct location. Step 2. Is it hitting? I don't even know if it hits stuff there. Let's check. Oh, you know what? It's going the opposite way, huh? So let's do this. Let's go. Boop. Plus 100. Let's subtract 1,000. So minus or negative 1,000. And really, that can be a different value. Okay, so that distance is 0. So that isn't the way to get the distance. What that's telling us. Okay, so what should we do there then? How do we not be dumb? Now, where are we getting this from? Oh, distance 2 is this. No, that should be fine. Oh, wait. No, because of course that's the same. Or I guess, no, technically it shouldn't be the same. Because it continues to go for 1,000. Oh, my God. Impact point. Wait, what is this? Okay. No, we want location. And then I guess it would be race start. Distance between those two things. There we go. Yeah, I just was thinking about it backwards. Because that way, obviously, we're going to work with smaller numbers. 1,000 was just easy to be like, oh, hey. But if we do this, then we get a little bit of a... Like, it will probably only be like to 100 or even less. But even something at this distance, having something that far away, because none of these buildings are that high for the most. Like how it took literally, it took half a second. None of these buildings are that high, obviously. Oh my god. Okay, cool. So, but that way when you're climbing up, you can see a little bit more. I guess, I mean, it kind of is a two-sided thing, right? Where like, then you can't see going down. But like, I want to do it by just barely anything, so we'll see. And maybe it depends on the players, you know, which way we're facing. Or like our foot angle or something else that we can figure out. Alright, so let's get this here. So instead of offsetting by 1,000, let's just offset by 100. Like I originally had. And now it's just a little smooth. Because then, player's not 100%. Right there at the center. We're good. Because like this is where it goes. And then, yeah, so it's like... Nice little... I guess it's good for both, honestly, in my opinion. I don't know, I like it. We'll have to obviously play around with it more and stuff, but... I kind of like it. It at least feels good going up to stuff. And then like even here, where this drops, it kind of lets you know you're at the top. It's kind of the same as like a lot of like 2D games will kind of stop you moving left and right when you're going up something. It kind of feels like that a little bit without having that side effect that you get there. All right, let's see then. So here, I like it. We'll see what we can do. Trying to think like what is the best way. Yeah, because then we can have stuff like this in the background, actual like paths and stuff for the player to work with. And if I can work on a scale, that would be nice. Ooh. Cool. Because I'm thinking like one part of this will be like having to climb super high up, obviously. That's what the mountains are right there. We won't be anywhere near the town, so we don't got to worry about certain things. But like let's... I almost feel like getting rid of landscape altogether and just work with these brushes and stuff, these materials. Okay, cool. I like it. Not bad. We'll play with it, obviously. And then move it away from where, fix it up. From here. So for now, let's move this down here. That goes there. And then we'll just collapse to a function. Sure. I'll just look at the collapse button, but that works too. We don't need visibility. Do not need the print. And this is just going to be a new function. I'm going to call this okay. What is it? Camera offset. This be technically, I don't know. Camera. The offset. No. We'll go in there and pretty it up, do all those things. Figure it out. You know what? We don't even need that. Do a keyword here. Or thing here, description. I'll say can. Camera D based on if they're near all object I don't know. Words are hard, okay? My God. Okay. Okay. Set that up. Ads are gonna start on Twitch in 30 seconds. Nothing I can do. Hit the snooze. Just how it works. While that's happening, let's do this. Left fire. If I don't whipped. Hey, how's it going? You might be in an ad now. Item held. Use its alt interaction, i.e. I don't know, an example. Auto activated or okay, cool. Cool. We got that done. Trying to think of what I want to do now. I think let's put on some more widgets. We can do the little options menu. Quick menu. What's this? What's quick menu? Oh. Hey, welcome back from the ads if you got one. Sorry about that. Okay, paused. Template. Okay, cool. User interface. Widget. Common activatable widget. Oh, do we have an area message at the moment? Interesting. Widget underscore. Jeez. Options menu. Okay. I feel like I want these to be available. I had done these before, and we made them really easy. I might actually just import the other one that I did already. Basically, I read basically a struct that I would add a button to. Add the button, like, what console command that thing needed to switch, and then the availabilities of that button. So either on, off, like the button type, right? So like we would do, all right, so let's do here. So option, we're gonna make a cheers. Oh no. Sorry. Look back at chat. It's all cheese. So we could do like an enum. Let me do options, option types, right? And in this option type, we would add the types of options we have, right? So for this one, it would be like drop down. I guess, I don't know. I'm trying to think game menu. Like games now. User interface. Was it UI? I have it saved somewhere. User interface. Is it game UI? Interfacegame.com? Yeah. Like, let's just find an options menu, right? Let's see. Menu loading settings. Right. This is a terrible example. All right, so like this game, right? They're always in this one. You don't get a drop down. You get, you know, you get to slide through it basically, on, off, whatever. So what I was trying to say is like, so we can do, and that works for if you have, you know, like a console type thing, right? Where it's you're guaranteed to have a controller, type of thing. And I mean, either way it could work, but, if you click on it, I don't know. I like both methods where it's like, if you click on it, it drops down a list. If you know, but either way, because we could have like a Dropbox. But let's see. Let's look at other games first, I guess. I'll just... There we go. No. Find that same type of thing, right? That would be, settings. Menu, right? So, like, this is what I'm saying, right? Like it has a kind of has both, where you tap to go left or right. I mean, most games honestly have it now. Okay. Too many games is what I'm saying. Accessibility. This is what I was thinking more, right? So like on off. Going back and forth. Okay. So like one would be checkbox. Right. Next one we would just say I think from there we do checkbox, which would just be on off. It wouldn't actually be a checkbox. I think it would be more like a toggle, is what we'll call them. I think we can use one that I don't know. Now I'm trying to think like, oh crap. Yeah, where we would either drop down or just a scroll. Oh, we'll just call that drop down. And basically what I was thinking is we get the list, right? That includes all of that stuff. This will make like a struct. How do we make a struct, guys? There we go. And in this, we can have it where we say first thing is options, option types. Oh. Option types. Right. Now let's just select a type. And then from there, we go here, we say, hey, you know, I don't know. I gotta think this actually through to know what all the options I'll need, but it'll be something like that. Because it'll basically be like activated, setting, you know, or, and then even, so text, this would be setting name. Right, and then there would be whatever else we might come up with. But I'm already, this is a tangent of a tangent. Hey, how's it going? Been forever since last time. How you doing? How's the game going? It's good. We're working on a little, I'm not sure when the last time you were in here was. Let's see. I can peek. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was a little bit ago. Oh wow, been a long while. Yeah, so this is a different game than what I used to be working on. Yeah, you're good. No worries. I understand that completely. So yeah, this is a little, yeah, that's great, honestly. I mean, I've also only streamed like 12 times since then. We went viral with some software. Nice. I think you were telling me the last time you were in here, you were working on some sort of... I don't know if it's the same software, but you were telling me about some sort of... something. Maybe. I don't remember. Either way, it doesn't matter. That's awesome. Brain trauma. Yeah. That's what it was. Went viral with the benchmark software after that. We actually just raised... Oh, dude, that is amazing. That's awesome. Congrats. Yeah, so this is a little side project I'm working on. I want it to just be... You know... I haven't been streaming or doing game dev as much anymore, so I'm just working on something smaller. So yeah, it's thank you. I'm trying something new. Like this isn't my normal style. I mean, it's close to it, and that, you know, I'm still trying to. It's just this is a little more detailed. Or not. Sorry, not detailed. This is a lot less detailed, which like has been a struggle for me to do. Which is funny because I'll see like these new beginner people, you know, like just, oh, you know, I don't know how to texture or do anything like that. I made a thing, and I'm just like, how do you do that? I need to open it in Substance, do all the details, do all these, you know. So I'm trying to just kind of almost go back to basics and like, kind of explore simplicity with it. And I want the game to be just a pretty simple one. I want it to be relaxing, like the inspiration I have listed, like Ooblets or Animal Crossing, where it's not going to be, it's just going to be like you exploring. The villagers are going to ask for stuff, you're going to get them something, you know. I'm hoping to keep it simple and ship it and release it as soon as possible, but we'll see. I like to overcomplicate things. And by that, I mean I've already overcomplicated it. The scope's out of control. No. I mean, yes, but yeah, we'll see where it ends up. So, what was I doing now? But yeah, I like that, like the Zelda feel, you know, and stuff, where it's like, so I have it, oh, I don't know why, but sometimes the player spawns all the way over there without it being set up correctly. But we got, oh, that's broken still, I forgot. I was gonna say, we have it where, like, the shops and stuff are gonna be, where you kind of teleport, kind of Zelda-like, into somewhere pre-built. Oh, that's why. I remember now. Because the camera's not here anymore. We need to go like this. Because we forgot to save it. Yeah. And set that up like we're supposed to, so that you use camera post-process. I think no, I don't remember. Someone needs to set that up correctly. Me. Use that. Where's the rest of the settings? Miscellaneous. I hate when you make a C++ file and then everything's shown. I need to learn like the meta tag to hide everything, like default, because I don't need to see all of this stuff. I'm just looking for the variables because I don't remember the name. There we go. Teleport actor. It's gonna be down here, and this one. Be here, and I need to set that up where if it's not set up, oh, look at that. I need to set it up where if it's not correctly set up, it doesn't break, but something else happens. That way I know. So there we go. And then we just... Alright, cool. What time is it? Sorry, I'm trying to pay attention to the time. I need to start food. Going to the gym. Make sure to eat. Okay. You don't think there's so many OGs still streaming? Nah, there's a lot of new people. I mean, overall on Twitch, I think. I mean, I don't really follow anyone that does Gamedev anymore on here. And then... see, so I've been, like, trying to branch out to other stuff, but, like, there's still art stuff. I would say the one, like, Pirate Software is doing really well. He actually just broke the site record for a hype train, because he's doing really great with his YouTube shorts, bringing in tons of people to the community. He broke it again today. Second time in a row. I'm like, holy cow, dude. I was there both times. Like, my goodness. Can I get 1/10 of that? Like, just, I need just a little hype. No. I need to hype myself up. But I mean, Thor's awesome, so. No days off. Oh man, yeah. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I've been working on this. I'm trying to get back into streaming right now. At the moment, I think I'm going to be doing like 3 days a week. And those are probably the only days that I'll probably really get actually anything done as well. I'm trying not to push myself like that anymore. I'm trying to focus on other stuff, just like, or, you know, get paid to do it would be nice. Like, so I'm looking for work. And freaking, so I'd rather focus on that than this. And I mean, honestly, Twitch in general is just a toxic place. I don't like being on here that much. Like, unless I'm, yeah. Also not a C++ program, so you're good. No, I mean, there's tons of places looking. I just got to start applying. And stuff, and I gotta work on my actual portfolio, and like, I haven't updated it in forever, and like the stuff that's on there is from when I started, and like there's enough people that I know and that don't know Unreal as much as me, or even just modeling and stuff like that, that have jobs that are better paying than mine. Like, overall, it's just one of those things, like, but we'll see. Okay, let's see. So we actually done quite a bit today, for being not a day that I was gonna do anything. So we fixed some stuff at the bakery. We implemented a camera feature that I didn't want to. Oof. Good luck. Yeah, no, good seeing you. I'm probably gonna hop off myself. For more ads play. No, no, let's see. I'm trying to see if there's any like little things we can do. I got about like 8 minutes. And then I wanna jump off, start dinner and stuff. Honestly, I gotta start making a template for this. I think that would be nice to do. I think next time I want to work on this house, or this house type, where like right now it's just I think I might do like this, where we take these wood boards for some of them, and just color them. Hello, buddy. So we have like wooden cabin type things. Rather than just blank. And then like for stuff, I guess all other things. So like this one definitely should be wood. I feel we can add that detail there. I need to add the thing for these to turn on and off. Maybe make one with blinds on it, like do a blinds mask. That sounds pretty fun, actually. Do like a curtain halfway pulled or something, and then we can kind of like we can adjust it per window. And that'll be nice because that will change how much light's being pumped into the world at night. Which we can also actually set up, I think, would be nice. The time of day, so directional. Let us this add. Yeah, so let's just do a blueprint for time of day. So actor BP underscore time of day. Light source, copy, paste. Oh, that wasn't it. I just pulled something into the world, but not the correct thing. BP time of day. That is also not the correct rotation. Cool. Nothing worked. Was it worth it? Probably. Oh, it's open here. I think it was something like that, right? Oh god. Is it brighter now? Did I make it somehow brighter? Did I curse this world? Alright. And then from there we would just rotate. Yeah. Oh. Okay, cool. Almost feel like we just need to change the brightness to like do that kind of trickery. But we'll look at that later. Hey, how's it going? Whoa, I was passing by and hey, thanks. All right, we got that added. Now we need to add some other stuff. Okay, so add this to next time to okay. I think the player, we need to fix the speed stuff, but also add back player falling. We need to add what else we need to add? I don't know. I think there's a couple things. We'll see though. Oh, hey, thanks for the follow as well. Sorry, you guys can hear the alerts. I can't. It sucks. I don't know what I broke, but it's broken. But yeah, that's actually, you're probably here perfect timing. I'm gonna sorry you just got here, but I'm gonna actually end the stream for today. I gotta go do some stuff. This is just a little short project we've been working on for a couple weeks now. Yeah, if you're interested, come on back. And that goes for everyone. If you guys haven't hit the follow button already, feel free to do that. If you're on YouTube watching, hit the subscribe button. But I want to leave before Twitch gets hit with another ad that I can't stop. Feel free to join the Discord. People post their own games there, other stuff, all sorts of fun stuff. And you can find me these other places. Yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys later. I should be on tomorrow, because my new stream schedule should be Saturday, Monday, and then the third day is up in the air still. So we'll see. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping in. We didn't focus on what I wanted to focus on today for sure, but we got other stuff done, like that camera thing. I think adds a little bit. I'll fix some other, like I'm just gonna go through, fix some stuff, going around the world, just, you know, cleaning everything up. Anyways, hope you all have a good rest of your day, and see you later. Thanks for stopping in.